how should New Zealand respond to this week's rebuke by the Chinese ambassador?
Well, I think New Zealand should be polite but firm and indicate that New Zealand stands for an international rules-based order based on respect for international law. And that should be observed by all countries, irrespective of their national power. Superpowers, middle powers, small states should all be bound by international law. The difficulty for New Zealand is it's been unwilling to be consistent in upholding international law recently. And the Chinese will be quick to point out that New Zealand was remarkably tongue-tied when the US was complicit in the breach of international law in Gaza and more recently in the attacks on Iran on the 28th of February. They began on the 28th of February. So I think New Zealand must take a hard look at itself in the mirror. It has a deep national interest in upholding international law. Small countries like New Zealand do depend on rules. We're weak and we need the protection of that infrastructure, so to speak, internationally in order to navigate our way in the world. But it does mean we need to be more consistent if we're going to protect our interests and not invite actions by China or the United States in further breach of those rules on which we depend.